Welcome to MGHFX. In this webinar, we will be discussing how to identify chart patterns using technical analysis. You'll learn how to identify these patterns on a price chart and understand their significance in predicting future price movements. If you're interested in mastering technical analysis, subscribing to our YouTube channel and watching our videos is an absolute must. Technical Analysis Webinar Series has 4 steps. Getting started, learn the assumptions that guide technical analysis, and get to know the basics of trend trading. Understanding indicators in technical analysis, identify various technical indicators, including trend, momentum, volume, volatility, and support and resistance. Identifying chart patterns. Use charts and learn chart patterns through specific examples of important patterns in bar and candlestick charts. Managing risk. Manage your trading risk with a range of confirmation methods. What is pattern? A pattern is bounded by at least 2 trend lines, straight or curved. All patterns have a combination of entry and exit points. Patterns can be continuation patterns or reversal patterns. Patterns are fractal, meaning that they can be seen in any charting period, weekly, daily, minute, etc. A pattern is not complete or activated until an actual breakout occurs. Limits of patterns. See patterns where there aren't any. Believe, market lore, technical and fundamental, without evidence. Look backwards rather than forward. Stick with original price targets of patterns after conditions have changed. Techniques for trading patterns. Breakouts, entry stops, protective stops, retracements. Breakouts, violation of trend line, support or resistance, or previous reversal point. It signifies that a change in buyer and seller behavior and signals the beginning or end of a trend. This picture is an example of breakout. Apply a confirmation filter to determine whether a breakout has taken place. Type of filters. Intraday, multiple closes, percentage or point, time, money. Entry stops. Buy stop orders are used to enter trades once the price breaks out. You can see 2 kinds of breakouts is this picture: resistance breakout and trend line breakout. What are false and failed breakouts? False breakout occurs when the price reaches the highest or lowest point that has been previously broken, but almost immediately returns back to its previous price. In other words, the price appears to have broken out but in reality has not and has returned to the previous level. A failed breakout, also known as a breakout trap, occurs when the price of an asset breaks through a key level of support or resistance, but then quickly reverses direction and moves back into its previous trading range. This can trap traders who entered positions based on the breakout signal, causing them to suffer losses as the market moves against their positions. Protective stops. Protects capital, determines the amount of capital risk before entry. Types of placement. Filters, such as percent, points, or money. Trend line, support or resistance level with filter. The distance between the breakout level and the protective stop level will depend on the trader's risk tolerance and the volatility of the asset being traded. By using a protective stop below breakout, traders can participate in potential upside gains while minimizing their exposure to downside risks. Trading false breakouts using protective stops. Example: enter on breakout. Place protective stop outside breakout bar opposite from breakout direction. Place entry stop at same level, called a stop and reverse order. If price continues in direction of breakout, profit from breakout entry. If breakout is false, profit from stop and reverse. As you can see in this picture, when a false breakout occurs and the price moves against the entry, falling back below the breakout level, the stop order is triggered. This results in the position closing with a small loss instead of risking potentially larger losses. What is retracements? It's counter trend correction. Types: pullback, on breakout down. Throwback, on breakout up. This picture is another example for pullback. Thank you for watching. Did you learn something new today? If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. to inspire us to make more videos like this. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. See you guys next time.